Welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. If this is your first time here, you're just cruising through, stopping by, just peeking in to see what's going on. Welcome. I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. If you are part of the JS family, my family, hugs and blessings to you. Hugs and blessings to you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to be a part of the family. So, you guys, today's video is going to be part 2 of how to make wall art. If I look, you may see glitter all over me because I've been playing in glitter. So yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna share with you what I came up with. But as I look at this, don't be surprised if we revisit this and I do something different. So grab you a snack and a beverage and let's get into this. Okay, you guys, this is what I ended up with. I'm not sure I'm gonna leave it like this, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you how it turned out. Let me get closer so you can see the pearls. So I used Krylon spray paint. The gold is like a glitter, and it does come off like real glitter on everything. Even sprayed some on the black, as you can see. But the more I look at this, you guys, let me pull back so you can see. The more I look at this, the more I want to take the tissue rings off. What do you guys think? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the picture. I'll show you. I haven't put a picture in there yet. I'm going to flip the picture and tell me which way you like this best. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the picture flipped. I think it had my tissue things not got so beat up. It would be a little bit more to my liking. I don't think it's horrible, but I think I might like it better without the tissue rings. Leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you think. So, let me back up some. So what do you think, you guys? Oh, I want to show you one other thing because I did paint the border part. So 1 second. Okay, so see, I painted the border. I also sprayed that with the gold as well. All the paint is spray paint. I started trying to hand paint the little rings, but that was too tedious for me. I don't have those kind of patience right now. So I spray painted those as well. So once again, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. So I hope that this inspired you to create some wall art. Let your inner artist shine. Okay, you guys, so you know I love you from your toes to your soul, and until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.